A motorcycle and car accident took place on January 21, 2026, in Harlingen, Texas, at the intersection of Grimes Avenue and Loop 499. The crash happened around 10 o'clock p.m. and involved a 22-year-old motorcyclist. Authorities say the motorcycle and an SUV collided for reasons that are still under investigation. The rider, identified as Abelardo Garza, sustained critical injuries and was transported to a local medical facility. Despite medical efforts, he was later pronounced deceased. No further details about the cause of the accident have been released. The investigation into the incident is ongoing.